My name is Jeremiah, an arborist community expert, and this is how to make a basic cavity in trees for wildlife. As arboriculture moves towards a more environmentally mindful industry, these types of tools are going to be increasingly more useful to us as practicing arborists. The first step is to drill the entry hole. This should be approximately 1 to 2 inches in diameter and about 2 inches in depth, but this can change depending on the tree species, the size of the tree that you're using, or your local wildlife. Next, we have to make the face. To do this, bore into the stem such that the face will be about 1 to 2 inches thick. The bore should run perpendicularly to the hole. Afterwards, create the upper and lower fins at the top and bottom of the face. These function sort of like a butterfly joint to hold the face in place. Once you connect your final fin, the face should come free. Slide it out and set it aside for now. If your entry hole did not go all the way through the face, now is a good time to finish that. Now begin to hollow out the cavity. Make 4 bore cuts of equal depth, forming a square. Be sure not to go through the entire stem, and be sure not to damage the fins. Then, once the square is complete, make a series of parallel cuts to the same depth. This will create slivers that can be broken out to reveal the cavity zone. Return the face back onto the stem. Wedge those slivers between the face and the fins to prevent the face from falling off. There are many variations of cavity creating techniques for wildlife. A couple factors to consider when creating your own are the placement and orientation of the cavity, the tree species, and other wildlife nearby. Each of these can impact the success of your cavities.